Groutless flooring offers the easiest long-term durability solution for a big family house kitchen where heavy traffic and frequent spills are constant. For a high-traffic family kitchen, choose large porcelain slabs or grout-free porcelain tiles sized to minimize joints, because fewer seams mean less dirt buildup and simpler cleaning routines. Consider luxury vinyl planks with wide plank patterns that mimic wood but resist water and dents while allowing quick spot cleaning and mop maintenance. Ensure you select a high wear layer and install with a fully adhered method to prevent edge lift. For active prep zones and walkways, think about seamless epoxy because it creates a continuous impermeable surface that resists stains, is easy to sanitize, and can be textured with fine grit for slip resistance without visible joints. Use a professional grade primer and properly graded primers and top coats to avoid delamination. Specify high slip rated finishes where spills are common and pair them with undersized transitions to adjacent rooms to avoid trip edges. Slip ratings are tested and should be matched to your family's activities. Underlayment choice matters for comfort and sound control, so add a thin acoustic layer under vinyls or a backer beneath large slabs to reduce impact noise and prevent cracking from subfloor movement. Finally, plan layout and maintenance by sealing seams properly where required, scheduling regular neutral pH cleaning, and keeping a routine of prompt spill cleanup to preserve appearance and reduce long-term wear. Common mistakes include choosing small format tiles with many grout joints that trap food and require frequent scrubbing, so avoid small tiles and select large panels or grout-free systems instead. Another issue is using low quality or inappropriate finishes that scratch or stain easily, so always pick commercial grade porcelain, high wear layer vinyl, or epoxy systems, and verify slip ratings and abrasion class before purchase. A third problem is poor installation, such as inadequate subfloor preparation or improper adhesives, which causes lippage, cracking, or delamination. Hire an experienced installer who follows manufacturer substrate tolerances and performs moisture testing and flatness corrections. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and explore real project examples for groutless flooring options, so we make it easy to find tradespeople and compare approaches. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and exchange installation experiences to help both homeowners and contractors find work and best practices.